Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler silverware is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your little one's self-feeding journey, significantly impacting their mealtime experience and development. Finding the perfect set involves considering factors such as material safety, ergonomic design for tiny hands, durability to withstand enthusiastic eating, and of course, appealing aesthetics to encourage independent eating. Number 5. Grabease Toddler Utensils. These utensils are perfect for little hands learning to self-feed. They're ideal for baby-led weaning, encouraging independence and building fine motor skills. Safety is our priority. The design includes a built-in choke protection barrier, so you can relax while your child explores mealtimes. Made from 100% safe plastic, they are BPA, lead, and phthalate-free. Enjoy worry-free mealtimes knowing they're safe for your child. These durable utensils are dishwasher safe, top rack, or can be boiled for a thorough clean. Simple and fuss-free for you. Trusted by feeding specialists and featured in Romper and MOM.com, they make a thoughtful and practical gift. Give the gift of confident eating. What we like. It's designed to help your little one develop their fine motor skills and gain confidence in self-feeding. The safety features will give you peace of mind, knowing it's free from choking hazards and harmful chemicals. If you are looking for a safe and supportive utensil set to help your toddler learn to eat independently, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The shorter length of the utensils makes it much easier for my child, aged 12 months when we first started using them, to self-feed. Her hand fits perfectly on the handle. They work great. It has a cute design and fun color. They are soft and easy for her to use. Perfect for toddlers learning to use. These are the best ones I found, and now she can start eating better on her own, is perfect for her hands and food doesn't fall off. And I love the fork, it holds food very well. And the spoon's beautiful as well. Number 4. Munchkin Splash Utensil Set. These colorful utensils are perfect for your little one. They're designed to make mealtimes easier and more fun. Each utensil is perfectly sized for small hands. The ergonomic handles make gripping easy and comfortable. You can rest assured knowing these utensils are made without BPA and are safe for your child. They're designed to last. These utensils are designed to pick up food with minimal effort. Your toddler will be able to feed themselves with ease. The knife has a specially designed, safe edge, perfect for little ones learning to cut. It's safe and effective. This set includes 2 forks, 2 knives, and 2 spoons. That's plenty for everyday use and even for guests. These are ideal for toddlers 18 months and older. They are a great way to encourage self-feeding. What we like. The ergonomic handles make it easy for little ones to grip and use. It's designed to pick up food with minimal effort, making mealtimes easier for both you and your child. If your toddler is ready to use a knife, but you're concerned about safety, this set is a great option. What people say. Great size for little hands. Easy for a toddler to use and learn to independently eat. The fork works well and is safe. The weight and size of these utensils are great for toddlers learning to eat on their own. Better than the plastic toddler utensils. These are great for my 18-month-old. She has shown great interest in using utensils and is now learning how to properly use the knife for cutting. They are easy to hold, and she seems to be finding her groove fairly quickly with these, as opposed to the others that I have tried in the past. Number 3. Kids Stainless Steel Cutlery Set. This 6-piece set is designed with small children in mind, featuring 3 spoons and 3 forks sized just right for tiny hands and mouths. It's the perfect way to make mealtimes fun and easy. The ergonomic handles are smooth and easy to grip, and the rounded tines on the forks add an extra layer of safety. They're suitable for toddlers, preschoolers, and school-aged children. These utensils are made of premium, rust-proof stainless steel, ensuring they're safe, durable, and easy to clean, even dishwasher safe. With fun fruit engravings, these utensils make mealtimes more enjoyable and encourage children to eat independently. They'll feel like grown-ups using these shiny, attractive utensils. From birthday parties and holidays to everyday meals, these utensils are great for home use, and also ideal for restaurants, schools, and daycare centers. They even come in a stylish gift box. What we like. Made from premium stainless steel, it's durable and safe for your child's health. The fun design makes mealtimes more enjoyable. If you want a durable and fun set that will last, this is a great choice. What people say. The kids feel like grown-ups because they are made just like the grown-up utensils. They get used a lot at my house and have held up beautifully. Ended up being a better quality than I expected. They have been through the dishwasher multiple times and have you been occasionally sat in the sink with water when I haven't been able to get to the dishes for a day or so and have not rusted or tarnished. They have been thrown on the floor and have retained their shape. My child loves to use them because they fit her small hands well and the fork prongs are like real adult forks so she can actually learn to dab her food with a fork opposed to plastic or silicone which just bends when she tries to use the fork. The quality and size of this set is perfect for your toddler who thinks they are too big for baby kids' cutlery. The spoon is wide and relatively deep so it's great for kids to scoop a decent mouthful of their cereal or rice without it all falling off. The width of the handle encourages our kids to eat for themselves but also reasonably sized for us to pick them up and help them scoop or stab their food. Number 2. Pimoys Toddler Utensil Set. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's BPA-free, easy to clean, and safe for your little one's self-feeding adventures. The rounded edges and ergonomic handles are designed for small hands, making it comfortable and safe for your child to use. These utensils are perfectly sized for your toddler's grip, making self-feeding easier and more enjoyable. They come in cheerful colors that appeal to both boys and girls and are built to last, making them a practical and charming gift. This set includes 3 forks and 3 spoons in different colors, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Cleaning up after mealtime is a breeze. Simply toss them in the dishwasher for quick and convenient cleaning. What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's both safe and durable. The rounded edges and ergonomic design make it easy for little hands to use. If you're looking for a safe, durable, and easy-to-use set for your toddler, this is a great option. What people say. Good size for little hands. My 1.5-year-old uses theses and they are very sturdy and light for her. The color on the handles are nice and no chipping or discoloration. They are dishwasher safe, no rust, not heavy, perfect for little hands. I like the pastel colors. Have a thicker handle so they are easier to grasp than other brands. Perfect size for toddler after they move on to all solid food. The metal fork is better than any plastic since it stabs food better. Number 1. HaWare Toddler Silverware Set. This silverware set is designed for your little ones. It's made from safe, high-quality materials, perfect for everyday use. Made of 18-0 stainless steel, it's nickel and BPA-free. The smooth edges are gentle on your child's mouth and skin. These utensils are perfectly sized for toddlers. The mini size and hammered pattern make them appealing and easy to use. They look just like mom and dad's silverware, encouraging independent eating. It's a great way to help your child transition to adult utensils. The set includes 3 spoons, 3 forks, and 3 butter knives. Everything your toddler needs to enjoy mealtime. Cleanup is a breeze. This set is completely dishwasher safe for your convenience. What we like. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, free of harmful substances. The smooth edges and blunt butter knife are safe for little ones. If you want a set that looks and feels like adult silverware to encourage independent eating, this is a great choice. What people say. They look like regular utensils but are a bit scaled down, making them the perfect size. Sturdy, lightweight for tiny hands and an appropriate size too. The fact it has a butter knife is great for practice. They wash very well and I have never had any rust issues even when I leave them soaking for a day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.